Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the party. Today we are going to set up everything. I'm going to show you all the things that I thrifted, all the second-hand decoration pieces that I've got lately for this big event, and then we will get this party started. In my previous video, I showed you the makeover of this area of the garden, and we are so happy to be finally able to use it and to have this party under our new gazebo. That is not new, it's a vintage one, but it's new for us. Let's start with something borrowed. My mother has found the faux flowers and the vintage trunk in a charity shop, and they look gorgeous together. Some time ago, while I was thrifting, I found a couple of orange pillows for €3.65 each, and then in another shop I found a pink couple. These colors look so good together. But the pieces that really gave me the inspiration for this party are these curtains. I found them in this enormous pile of discounted curtains. These were €6.90 each, and they match perfectly with the pillows, so I think we have found the perfect color scheme for our flower party. I will use the curtains to create some kind of scenography on two sides of the gazebo, and they will also provide some extra shade during lunch because the sun is very hot in this period here in Italy. You know that every time I go to flea markets and charity shops, I always look for straw baskets. These are the ones that you've already seen in other videos, and this is a new one. I paid €3.50 and it reminds me of a Chinese steam basket. I like it very much. This is an Italian piece, it comes from Sardinia, and you know that I'm obsessed with Sardinian baskets. I got it for only €2. I also got some smaller ones because they will complete this cute hanging baskets composition. So the party will be inspired to nature and flowers and its colors. It will have a retro boho gypsy vibe. I am so excited because I planned everything in my mind and I can't wait to see everything ready for the party. Another piece that my mother thrifted a while ago, this tray has a beautiful floral print. Let's go on with the decorations. I have these pink flags, then some fabrics. Maybe I could use them to decorate the tables. And then I got this set from Amazon. This is genius. Let me show you. This contains 12 paper decorations. It's the first time that I purchase something like this, and I like that they are made of a recyclable material. Now they still look very messy, but at the end they will become big, beautiful paper flowers. I will leave the link of these down in the info box, so maybe you can use them for your parties too. I think they are great. Isotta. Fa caldo? Super caldo. I am fixing the paper flowers to the baskets. There were some sticky buttons included, but I'm afraid they will ruin the baskets, so I'm using the wire. I am super happy with how this looks. Hi guys, so this is the party day. I have got to complete the decorations, I've got to set the tables, so yeah, let's do it. I hope my friends will like this composition. They can use it as a background to do selfie pictures. I think it will be fun. Now we've got to set up the table. I will make a pile in this tray that I got at the flea market in the south of France. You've got to watch those episodes if you haven't already. Here I have this floral tablecloth, and then this one was my grandmother's. It is elegant and beautiful, and I'm happy to use it in this very special occasion. And then I got some paper dishes, green and pink, and the matching paper glasses. These are smaller, they are for espresso coffee. I think it will be cool to add other colors to our palette. We are trying to reduce waste, so also the cutlery is made of wood. And here we have another thrifted piece. This ceramic baking dish has an amazing pink color and it is so cute. I will use it to put chips and other appetizers on the table and to bring some more color. I also borrowed from my mother this one that is light pink and a smaller purple one. These placemats come from another thrift shop. Maybe you've seen them in a previous video. I got an entire set for a few euros. Fabiano is cooking now, and I'm at a good point with the decorations. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and stay till the end because the best has yet to come. I'm setting up also another area of the garden. I would like to have a more relaxed and shady place where we can stay during the afternoon with blankets laid on the ground. I'm using all the new pillows and also a couple of white ones that I already had at home. And this palette that is very trendy nowadays, we will use it as a load table. Fabiano found this old beach umbrella in his parents' garage. They said it is from the 80s. It is amazing and I can't believe that it has the perfect orange color. Allora, questa ad esempio è già pronta, ma bisogna tagliare. We are now preparing the centerpieces with the fresh hydrangeas that I stole from my parents' garden. My friend Justin is helping me with these last-minute decorations, and these are the glass vases that I thrifted. Maybe you've already seen them in the previous videos. You know that my husband and I love gardening, and we got a couple of oleander plants that we would like to plant here, close to the gazebo, but for now we will use them as decorative plants. I am really happy with these centerpieces. I needed some flowers that could stand the comparison with the paper flowers, and the hydrangeas are big and beautiful. To hold the napkins, I'm using 2 vintage Italian ceramic pieces that my friends gave to me as gifts. The dress code for today is flowers. So I got this second-hand shirt for my friend Theo, and this one was supposed to be for Fabiano. I found it online, but it is way too small for him. So I went to a retail shop and bought this one that is very nice. And what about me? Well, I have many floral dresses in my closet, maybe too many. Also this cute jumpsuit and other clothes. But then I went thrifting and I found this one. It is the perfect 50s inspired floral cocktail dress. It is so stunning. I really love it.
Come fa la preparazione?
Bene, stanco, guarda, sono stanco.
Sei stanco?
Sì.
Ma no, c'è ancora tanto da fare.
Ecco.
Our flourishing vineyard is growing fast, and here everything is ready, so let's get this party started.
Evviva!
Grazie per la mitica festa!
Evviva! Evviva! Ciao Teo!
Sì, ma no.
Guarda quello l'artista!
Ma che bellezza questa camicia!
Oh no, sono tutta un'altra personcina e c'è anche il cappellino.
Dov'è il cappellino?
Come vedi siamo tutti quanti. Siamo la coppia rossa.
Vero?
Aspetta che mi viene il torcicollo.
Cicollo! Guarda che bello! Hai visto che belli i miei fiori?
Brava, amore.
Grazie amore!
Flower party.
Flower party! Siccome oggi inauguriamo questa parte del giardino, abbiamo pensato di piantare con voi i due oriani. Vedete qua, le buche sono già fatte, non vi preoccupate.
sono là.
Ah no, perché c'è una rivista, questa le vuoi mettere nella volare. Scusa ragazzi,
Il lavoro duro è già stato fatto.
il lavoro duro è stato
Guarda il lavoratore duro! Bello, bello.
andare via, devo che la scusa. Oh il mio uomo! Mamma mia che muscoli! Sexy!
Mia sinistra la tua
Devi
sinistra.
tirare via il secchio.
Ok.
Perché fa fatica col secchio.
Una c'hai una.
Che
Va bene così?
lavoratori!
Facciamo. Adesso lo variamo con lo spumante.
Now it's really time to use our relax area. We have fruit salads and cocktails. this is the perfect nice end of this amazing day. We've had much fun together and we've been very happy to have you here with us. So I really hope you've enjoyed this party. If you did, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. This will really help my channel to grow and I'm very thankful for all your support and for every comment. Let me know if you enjoy this type of content because I've got so many ideas for other thematic parties. Yeah, maybe I will make other videos about how to style a party with vintage and thrifted and recyclable objects. Thank you so much for watching till the end of this video. I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye!